freak. Oh my gosh, I am nervous. Oh Lord, once I start this time, I ain't no turning back. I am scared, Jesus, for my life.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video, and today I am doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. So this challenge was trending for a long time in the beauty community. It's no longer trending, but I know I don't care about that. It's Vlogmas and I just want to, you know, do different things, and I do like makeup challenges. There just aren't many out there, so I wanted to do it for myself. You know, I have a 12-minute makeup challenge that Aaliyah J, she started that trend. And that made me think of the 5-minute makeup challenge that everybody was into. Everybody done tried this trend. If you're familiar with the beauty community here on YouTube, you know about the 5-minute makeup challenge. So yeah, I'm gonna try it today. I'm gonna set my timer and we just gonna go. I already did my brows. I want y'all to know that when we get to this challenge, my brows will be done. Because it was very last minute. I was supposed to do something different today, but I was like, you know what, I changed my mind at the very last minute. I was like, no, I want to do the 5-minute makeup challenge, and I just wasn't about to use all of 5 minutes on my brows anyway when it takes me longer to do that. So I just went ahead and did it. I hope y'all enjoy the video, enjoy me in full-blown panic. So yeah, let's get into it, okay? All right, y'all, I'm about to hit start. 1, 2, 3. Thing drying down. Dang, I got 49 seconds. Like I thought I would. Exactly how I thought it was gonna go, it went. I got 11 seconds on the clock. This is what we got in 5 seconds. Like I knew, like I said, I knew that I would get through complexion. And that's it. I knew I wouldn't get to eyes. Like, I knew I wasn't. But I got to complexion. I reached my main goal. Oh. Oh well, ignore it. At the end of the day, it's not your problem. It's mine. Yes, this is what I got. But at the end of the day, I could go out the house like this. Like, you know, it's not my best. Honestly. Like, I don't like that. But it's good enough. So let's see, what didn't I do? I did not get a chance to do eyes. No lashes, no mascara. I didn't get a chance to do any lips either. But honestly, it's neither here nor there, because people leave out the house like this all the time. Like, people do their brows, do their face makeup, and leave the eyes alone. Like, it just depends on the day you have it. And I have left the house like this too, so it's an acceptable look, at least, you know. If y'all have any ideas for me this Vlogmas, if y'all want to see any videos in particular, now is the time to let me know, because it's Vlogmas. So I don't mind doing things other than just beauty or beauty related. So yeah, other than that, I hope y'all enjoy this little challenge. And yeah, please be sure to comment down below, like I just said. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys. Oh, I didn't do...